we have sanctioned around 24 to 25 new projects in 16-17, and we are working on our basic thrust area, which are 5 thrust areas, which you can see here, on renewable energy, sanitation, skill development, environment sustainability, and sport to people with disability. That is the thing.
Could you talk about some of the bigger projects that you have undertaken in CSR in all these five areas that you talked about?
Right. For financial year 16-17, basically we have done renewable and in the field of street lighting. Then we have done in sanitation, Swachh Bharat, Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan, and we have also contributed to the physical PWD sector. And other than that, there are other initiatives of Ministry of Power, central government, wherein we contribute from time to time as per their requirements. This is for the 16-17 year.
If we talk about basic projects, we had given a financial contribution of 55 crore rupees to Swachh Bharat Kosh, and we had a sanction a project of 15 crores to CPED for skill development. These are our 2 big projects. Then we are also had sanctioned 1 project to the CREDA for rainwater harvesting. It is also of around 13 to 14 crore rupees. Then one more project is there with NHI, where we are planting trees nearby to National Highway 7 in Nagpur region. It is around 8 crores. These are our very big projects. We are also having projects in the range of 5 crores to 6 crores that are of skill development or of solar technology, where we are giving financial assistance to companies for solar photovoltaic cells and all solar lighting in the remote areas and backward areas.
In the financial year 14-15, we had this Swachh Bharat Swachh Vidyalaya Abhiyan, wherein we had sanctioned around 200 plus crores. So till date we have almost reached the target, and we have basically worked in the areas of construction of toilets in government schools in Andhra Pradesh and Rajasthan. That was done basically through these 2 PSUs and with the help of state government and district authorities. So this was a very major project wherein we had also met the targets, and we have successfully completed the same.
And also on the skill development part?
Skill development part, basically we finance implementing agency partners from time to time. We have partners such as CPET, which is a government organization. Then we have skill development programs through CIDC, which is a sector skill council, and other main organizations like L&T Construction and many others.
Basically, we have sanctioned around 34 projects, skill development projects, through different training partners in all of these years, and around 34,000 students or candidates, you can say, from I would say underprivileged society, which are coming from a very underprivileged background, have been trained by different partners, and we ensure that they get placement. We just don't train them, we make ensure that they get placement. And we make sure in our MOU with the training partner that around 70% of the placement criteria they should have. That they should also ensure their placement also after their training.